The Houthis, Ansar Allah, have escalated their operations against Saudi Arabia despite ongoing efforts to relaunch the Yemeni peace process. On March 25th, the Yemeni group carried out a large-scale attack on Saudi Arabia. Suicide drones, cruise, and ballistic missiles were launched at the facilities of Saudi oil giant Aramco. Other vital targets in the kingdom's capital, Riyadh, were targeted as well. Also attacked were the western cities of Jeddah and Rabigh, the eastern city of Ras Tanura, and the southern cities of Jizan, Najran, Dhahran, Khamis Mushait and Abha. The attacks didn't result in any casualties. However, it caused heavy material damage, especially in an Aramco oil storage facility in Jeddah. The facility remained on fire until the morning of March 26th. The Houthis said that the large-scale attack, codenamed Operation Breaking the Siege 3, was a response to the Saudi-led coalition's continuous siege on Yemen. This was the third large-scale attack by the Houthis on Saudi Arabia in less than a month. The first attack, Operation Breaking the Siege 1, took place on March 9th and 10th, while the second, Operation Breaking the Siege 2, took place on March 19th and 20th. The Saudi-led coalition refrained from responding to the first two attacks in order to de-escalate. However, the heavy damage caused by the March 25th attack forced the coalition to retaliate. On March 26th, the coalition resumed its airstrikes on Houthi-held areas in Yemen. Coalition warplanes targeted several vital facilities in the capital Sana'a and in the western province of Al-Hudaydah. In Sana'a, the airstrikes claimed the lives of 8 civilians and wounded at least 8 others. The coalition claimed that its airstrikes destroyed weapon depot facilities of the Houthis as well as 4 remotely controlled booby-trapped boats belonging to the group. Despite the coalition's escalation, the Houthis announced on March 26 that they will suspend missile and drone strikes on Saudi Arabia and ground offensive operations in Yemen, including in the central province of Marib, for 3 days as a part of a peace initiative. The group said that the initiative could become a lasting commitment if the Saudi-led coalition halted its airstrikes on Yemen and ended its siege on the country's ports and airports. The Houthis are not the only side making efforts to relaunch the peace process in Yemen. In mid-March, the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) invited the Houthis to peace talks in the Saudi capital Riyadh. The group welcomed the initiative. However, it said that the talks should be held in a neutral country. While major differences between the Houthis and the Saudi-led coalition remain in place, the two sides appear to be willing to de-escalate. The two sides will not likely reach an agreement anytime soon. However, they appear to be close to launching direct talks. This would be a major breakthrough.